Hey, how's it going? This is our first video. We came up with the easy home cooked recipe. The first dish is what you are seeing right now. All ingredients are described down below. If you guys love mac and cheese or are interested in this video, give us a thumbs up and let's get started. I used my cup to measure them, just eyeballed everything. We ran out of milk, so we used heavy cream as an alternative. For the pasta, I filled out 2/3 of the cup. Cream or milk, you'll need 1/3 of the cup. If you don't have two types of cheese, just cheddar cheese will be fine. Used 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter might burn if the fire is too high. After the butter is melted, add cream. It is important to stir regularly. This is a super simple recipe, more much like a snack, so this would be a single pot recipe. In this step, we need additional water and pour the pasta in the pan. Keep stirring until it gets thickened. I added more water. Okay, now, I think the pasta is evenly cooked and also thickened enough, so let's add the cheese. The harder one goes first, Jack cheese for rich flavor. We'll find out if this step was worth it. Now add your soft cheese at this moment. You can skip the step, but I added some salt. Okay, this is the final dish. I think this turned out quite nice. This is all of our video. I hope to share my next recipe with you guys. Thank you for watching.